Hello, my dear students. I hope you are fine. We are learning the same chapter, application of derivative, but today's subtopic is different. That is maxima, minima. Is a very important. Every year you will get the 6 marks questions from these subtopics. Okay, let me explain with the example. There are three methods. Out of these three methods, the third method is very important and easy. So, okay, let me explain to you by taking the same example. Now look at here. The first method is called definition method. Second method, first derivative test. Okay, first derivative test means you have to do one type differentiation. Then third method is second order derivative test, and this is a very important one, and this is easiest. Okay, and definition method will use to the simple type of questions which can be converted into the completing square. Okay, now according to the definition method, if the value of fx is more than a, that means this a is a minimum value. Then other value is more than a, that's why a is a minimum value. And if the value when a is called minimum value, if f is less than a, that means other value is less than a, that is then this is the biggest value, then is called maximum value. Okay, there are two. If the fx is more than a, then minima. If fx is less than a, then it's a maximum value. Then second method is first derivative test. F is minimum if differentiation equation changes sign from negative to positive at given value or at the value of x, any real value of x. And in f is maxima, the function is maxima if f dash x changes sign from positive to negative at value of any real value of x. If the sign does not change, if the sign does not change, it remains same, negative to negative or positive to positive, then function is neither minima nor maxima. Then third type, second order derivative. If the second order the value of second order differentiation is more than 0 positive, then it's minima. If it is less than 0 or negative, then it's maxima at the any real value of x. Now let me explain each method by taking the same example. I took the example fx equals to 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Okay, this method is used to the limited type of question, very simple type of questions, and these two methods used to any type of question. That's why these two methods is very important. And for me, this third method is very important. Okay, for this definition method, for you have to convert this equation into completing square form. You learn in the lower classes. I shown here. Okay, go through it. Then I took the 4 common. Then it's x square minus 2x, and there is no 4 common means divided by 4. Taking common means divide by same number. Then converted a square minus 2ab. That means a is x. Then 2x. If there is middle term is 2x, then b means 1b square, and we are putting b square from our pocket. That means same terms we are subtracting. Adding and subtracting same term is 0, then third is there. Then this is the formula of a minus b whole square, then minus 1 is left plus 3. After converting, we got this one. Then remember, the square of any terms is always bigger than 0. The square of any terms is always bigger than 0 at any value of x. Then this is bigger than 0. Then 4 is there, multiplied by 4. Then after that minus 1 is there, so adding minus 1 both side. Then we got this is our main question. That is means our fx, then this fx is bigger than minus 1, and the value of fx is bigger than minus 1, that means minus 1 is the minimum value, therefore minimum value is minus 1. Once again, this is applicable for the simple type questions only, which can be converted into completing square. Then this is the question, then completing to completing square. After completing, then remember the square of any number is always bigger than 0, then convert, then make this equation into here. Then to make this equation, we need 4 multiplied by 4. Then again we need minus 1. Then adding minus 1 both sides. Then than or equals to -1. If the function is bigger than or equals to a, then a is assumed as minimum value. Therefore, minimum value is -1. There is no limit for maximum value. Okay, if it is called less than -1, then that time is called maximum value. Okay, now second method, same example. Then this is a first derivative test. That's why always you need to do the differentiation. Okay, I did the differentiation. Differentiation of fx is fxx. Differentiation of 4x square is 8x. Differentiation of 8x is 8. Differentiation of 3 is 0. Then take 8 common. Then inside bracket is x minus 1. At extreme point, consider that x equals to 0. Then from there you got the value of x. Okay, for single value you have to check twice. Once less than that value and another more than that value. First we are taking that value which is less than 1. Okay, assume less than 1 is 2. Okay, sorry, less than 1 is -1. Okay, now, okay, f dash x less than 1, I took -1. That's why 8 equation is here, f dash x equation is here. Then 8 in case of x, I took the less than 1 value, that is -1. You can take any numbers which is less than 1. Then the sum is negative. Then another more than 1 means I took 2. Then same equations. Okay, x is replaced by 2. You got positive. That means the sign of this fx is changing from negative to positive. Okay, for single value you have to check twice. Once more less than, first you have to check less than of that value, and once more than that value. Okay, after that always check first less than, then more than. Okay, don't check first this more than. Then check after getting the sign is changes from negative to positive. Here f dash x changes sign from negative to positive at x is equals to 1. Okay, this so if the function the sign changes from negative to positive, then it is minima. Therefore, f is minima at x equals to 1. Okay, this decides this formula decide whether the function is maxima or minima, but it is not the value. Okay, and its value and its minimum value. To find the minimum value, just substitute this value of x in main equations. Okay, main equation is 4, then x is 1, then 8, x is 1 plus 3. After simplifying, you got -1. Look at here, the value is same. Value is same. Up to here, we did whether the function is minima. This is just checking part. After checking, you have to get the values separately. Okay, we have to get the value, just put the value of x in the main equation. Whatever you get, that is the value of either minimum or maximum. Now third type is same. I took the same questions and do the differentiation. Differentiation of this one is 8x minus 8. Then at extreme point, same in previous questions. At extreme point, f is equals to 0. From there we got the value of x. And then once again do the differentiation of this first differentiation equation. Do the differentiation of first differentiation equation, and differentiation of 8x is 8 and differentiation of 8 is 0. Then put this value directly, and this is a very easiest one. In this method, we have to put the value once less than and another more than. We have to take the same value twice, and this is very difficult. And this one is a very easy. After doing double equations, put the value of x directly without taking less than more than. Okay, put the direct value there. Then there is no x that's why the sign is remaining positive. If the sign is positive, then it is minima. If the double differentiation sign is negative, then it is maxima. Therefore, according to the formula, the sign is positive. That's why f is minima at x is equals to 1, and its minimum value. To get the minimum value, substitute this in the main equations. Value of x in the main equation. Okay, everywhere we got the minimum value. Say -1, -1. Okay, this is definite method. This is a limited use, and this can be used if the question if you want to do this method. This is little twice because we have to take the twice. For single value, we have to take it. Sometimes if you get 3 values, you have to do 6 times. Okay, but for me this is a very important one. Because after doing differentiation, you can put the value direct. If the sign comes positive, then it's minima. If the sign comes negative, then it's maximum. Okay, these are the basic things. Go through again and again till you understood. After understanding all this concept and practice from your textbook. If you have any doubt and confusion, you can comment or WhatsApp me. Everything is given in description. Okay, now in the next video we'll do the sum more questions about this maxima minima, because this is very important. If you have any question, you can comment me. I'll make the video about that questions. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.